So this next one is kind of a silly activity for us to get familiar with factoring. So what we have up here is a secret code or a secret message. And how we're going to fill in the blanks is by looking at each of these equations down here and finding the factored form over here. Now I'm going to use Desmos to help me. X squared plus 13x plus 40. So I've got my parabola. I typed in number 1 and I put it over here in Desmos. And I see that I have roots at -8 and at -5. So I know this is x plus 8, x plus 5. And these two match perfectly. The green graph goes directly over the blue graph. So I'm going to find the factored form down here, x plus 8, x plus 5, which it looks like this is not it, this is not it. This is the word do. So I'm going to take do and move it to the number 1 spot. Next is number 2. We'll do another one of these together to make sure everybody's on the same page. I'm going to type in this expression into Desmos, x squared minus 5x minus 50. And I see I have my 2 zeros at -5, which is x plus 5, and also at 10, which is x minus 10. I see that these overlap perfectly. The black graph is directly on top of the purple graph. So I'm going to find this factored form in the word bank down here. X plus 5, x minus 10. X plus 5, x minus 10. Looks like that's going to be this word karate. So then I'm going to move karate to the number 2 spot. And what you're going to get is just a silly phrase. It's not going to make much sense. But again, we're just using this to help us practice writing quadratic expressions into their factored form.